Already we saw the identity of a cube plus b cube. In the same manner, you have to write the identity for a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. For a plus b, the signs a cube plus b cube, the signs are different, and for the a cube minus b cube, signs are different in the given identities. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. If you want to prove this identity at that time, you have to utilize the identity a plus b bracket cube. This is the standard identity. We proved this identity. A minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So you have to make the identity for a cube minus b cube. So you have to keep this a cube minus b cube in the right side. Only you have to shift this 3a square b that side. Minus 3a square b becomes plus 3a square b, and plus 3ab square becomes minus 3ab square. Means if you want to make the identity for a cube minus b cube, at that time you have to keep a cube minus b cube to the right side of the equation, of the right side of the equal to sign, and to the left you have to shift this plus minus 3a square b becomes plus 3a square b plus 3ab square become minus 3ab square. So after that, what you have to do, this cube here, this a minus b bracket cube, you have to write in the form a minus b multiplied by a minus b square, because a cube you will write in the form a cube is equal to a multiplied by a square. In the same manner, a minus b bracket cube is equal to, you will write this as a minus b in one bracket and another bracket a minus b bracket square. In this way you will write this a minus b bracket cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket multiplied by another bracket a minus b bracket square. Here you have to write this 3a square b, this 3a square b you have to write in the product form. 3 multiplied by a square means a multiplied by a multiplied by b. 3ab square you have to write in the product form 3 as it is. Here this term you will write in this form. This become 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b square become b multiplied by b is equal to a cube minus b cube. Here you will write as it is this term a minus b as it is, a minus b bracket square as it is. From these two terms you have to take out 3ab common. 3ab you have to take out common. Here also 3ab you have to take out common. If you will take out 3ab common within these two terms, at that time what is remain, a minus b is remain, you have to write in another bracket is equal to a cube minus b cube. Then friends, here this expression holds these two terms. This one is one term and this one is another term. Within these two term, double I'll underline this term is common in between these two terms. At that time you have to take out a minus b common. At that time whatever be remaining terms you have to write in square bracket. What is remain, a minus b bracket square you have to write, and 3ab remain, that you have to write as it is equal to a cube minus b cube. Then friends, you know the identity a minus b bracket square, a minus b as it is you have to write. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab as it is you have to write. This a minus b bracket square expansion is here, a square minus 3 2ab plus b square and plus 3ab as it is you have to write is equal to a cube minus b cube. Then write a minus b as it is. These are the like terms. These two terms you have to write together. Minus 2ab plus 3ab, and you have to write this b square that side. B square is equal to a cube minus b cube. Here these are the like term. So you have to use the rules of the addition. If one number is negative, another one is positive, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. So minus 2ab plus 3ab is equal to plus 1ab. From the 3ab you have to subtract 2ab and you have to give the sign of bigger magnitude means 3ab. At that time 3ab has the plus sign. At that time a minus b as it is you have to write. This become a square. Minus 2ab plus 3ab is equal to plus 1ab, and b square as it is you have to write is equal to a cube minus b cube. And from that we will get the new identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Means this identity, how this identity will come, that will not ask in the exam, but for your understanding and for your convenience I solved this identity here. try to understand this identity, because in the higher standard, if this identity directly anybody will ask to you, that time this is important that you know that this identity will come from the identity a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to understand each and everything properly. Write this identity in the our classwork notebook properly. Thank you. And whatever be the box given in the these boxes, you have to write in the basic book. Everybody understand? So write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.